Uh, in behalf of Mr. Anand, I would like to read his message for all of us. Uh, Thank you. Today is indeed a very special day for Eagles Mobile. I am unable to come due to my urgent business meeting in Hong Kong. I hope you all will enjoy today's launching event. My special thanks to my all the guests who is available here. Let me give a little bit brief about the Eagles Mobile. Eagles Mobiles were started the 4 years back, and in the year 2015, 2014, we have become a private limited company. Initially, we had started with the export-import, as most of the entrepreneurs do, whenever they come into the technology business, especially in India. Uh, Today we have, just to let you know, today we have a manufacturing assemble unit in Maharashtra where we are assembling the mobile goods and various other electronics device. In next 14 to 18 months, we are going to invest around rupees 300 crore for the manufacturing, assembling and research and development for electronics good in India. Our next venture, as most of you know, is the sopocards.com, is in the line of Make Up India, Making India, Digital India, and Startup India. For
2600 mAh बैटरी भी काफी होती है सर। 10 से 12 घंटा सर। Anyone else? ये 15 एमएड प्रो जो कंपनी है वो यूएस की कंपनी है और इन्होंने एक स्टार लिंक करके है, उन्होंने इनको लॉन्च किया है और ये सिर्फ यूएस में अभी सेल आउट हो रहा है। अदर कंट्रीज में भी धीरे धीरे सेल आउट होगा, तो इंडिया में इसे हमने लॉन्च किया है shopocars.com पे।
टारगेट क्लाइंट्स कौन से होंगे?
टारगेट प्लान्स के बारे में आपको सुमित जी बताएंगे। टेक्निकल रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चन है तो मैं बताता हूँ।
You know, in India, every guys has the dream to buy a mobile phone, but there are these college-going guys, school-going guys. They don't have that kind of pocket money to buy that phone. But this phone is, you know, just available in 9,000, and I think any college-going smart guys, they can buy this phone, and they are our target audience. And because they are the smart mobile phone users, and yes, and they love to see lot of content online, and as this mobile phone has the 4 GB RAM, now you can understand how much memory this phone is carrying. So you can download lots of your favorite apps, let's say Hotstar or any at least nowadays we are using 15 to 20 apps in our mobile. This will be add-ons. You can easily use 35 to 40 apps in your mobile, and every youngster love to, you know, download lots of app and try to experiment with this. So again, our target audience is the youngster, college-going guys, as between 14 onwards and till the age of 32.
बट सर आजकल यंगस्टर जो ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग ज्यादा करते हैं, तो क्या ये ऑनलाइन पे भी अवेलेबल होगा?
Yes, we have started with the sopocards.com just for this particular mobile, and anybody is going to book right now, they will receive our products next to 10 to 12 days. That's the beauty of
किस रेंज से किस रेंज तक होंगे, क्या प्राइस?
फिलहाल एक ही प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च हुआ है, एक ही मॉडल 15 का M8 Pro, एक पर्टिकुलर मॉडल है जो 9000 में आपको अवेलेबल होगा shopocars.com पे, और उसके बाद कोई एक्सक्लूसिव लॉन्च सेकंड मतलब अपग्रेड करते रहेंगे हम। हमारी कोशिश ये है कि हम अपग्रेड करते रहें और उसे लॉन्च करते।
सर कुछ दिन पहले एक कंपनी ने 250 रुपये मोबाइल देने की घोषणा की थी,
हाँ,
और काफी कुछ हंगामा भी मचा था। तो जाहिर सी बात है कि जब कोई नया मोबाइल बाजार में आता है तो लोग जो है उसको एक शक की निगाह से भी देखते हैं। आप कुछ सफाई देना चाहेंगे इस बारे में?
Yeah, you are very right, sir. As The Freedom 251, I think you are talking about
yeah,
that.
yeah.
You know the ED is behind them. So I think on that front, we are not on that sort of competitions. We have rightly mentioned that our product price is 8,999. So there is nothing is like that products we are going to just selling at the rupees of 900, getting lot of media attention. We are very honest. Why we are providing this mobile phone at the cheap cost? Maybe you all have this sort of questions. The reason behind, we are as we are importing and assembling by our own, and we are not spending lot of marketing cost, you know. And our platform SopoCart is for that. That is, yeah, sopocarts.com is for that. So anybody is going to buy from that end. So, you know, in between we are not spending the marketing cost, even though we are not spending any rupees on the ads. And I'll tell you from evening, from 4 p.m. onwards, we have just opened our sopocarts.com for the booking of 1.5, and we have received around 75 bookings. 53 is cash on delivery, and remaining they have paid through the credit card and the debit card options we have. So that's the beauty of the products. Youngsters were really very much interested, you know. Yeah. Yes, sir.
अच्छा वारंटी करते हैं 1 year वारंटी
1 year, yes.
कहाँ पे बनाना होगा खराब हुआ तो खराब हुआ
And we have 400
Service center.
We have 400 plus service center across India because Eagles Mobile has already existed network over there. So we are using that network and we have 400 plus. Yes. You can have a look and try. Thank you, sir. You can outside, so you can of course get the good pictures quality. So
ये लकड़ी खरीद रहे हैं 9,000 का तैयार
yeah, just please go through the features because you must have the first-hand experience with the product.